Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started the discussion with mensuration. What did we learn? We learned the different formulas, different solids and everything, right? Yes. After that, then we discussed about the questions of the first exercise. Then today we are going to start our next exercise with a new surface area problem. Okay, shall we start? See here, what's the question given? A toy is in the form of a cone, right? Hope you know what is cone, right? Right. Mounted on a hemisphere. That is, if a cone is like this, it is mounted on a hemisphere. Okay. The diameter of a base and height of a cone are 6 and 4 centimeters respectively. The diameter of a base, that is from here to here, that is how much it is? 6 centimeter, and the height of a cone is 4 centimeter. Is it right? He is asking us to find the surface area of the whole toy. Is it fine? How do we find it? That is, first of all, we have to find the surface area of this cone and the surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, shall we start? See here. What is given? Given for a cone, the radius for cone, radius is 3 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. In order to find the surface area, what do we need? That is, we need L. That is, L square is equal to R square plus H square. That is, L square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Then what is it? L is equal to under root 9 plus 16, that is root 25. L is 5. Is that right? What is the formula of CSA of a cone? CSA of cone is pi RL, that is 3.14 into what is R? 3 into what is L? 15, sorry 5, isn't it? 3 into 5. Now tell me, 15 into 3.14. Okay, now tell me what is the answer for this? That is 47.114 centimeter square. Is it right? 47.1 centimeter square. That is the surface area of a simple cone. Then what about the surface area of a sphere, that is hemisphere? Only the base part, that is only CSA we have to find. Therefore, for hemisphere, what is given? Radius as 3 centimeter. Is there anything required for it? No, right? Therefore, CSA of hemisphere. What is the formula of a CSA of a hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square. Yes, just substitute the formula in it. 2 into 3.14 into 3 square. That is 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18 into 3.14. How much is it? That is 56.52 centimeter square. Isn't it? Now tell me, what is the total surface area of a toy? That is, therefore, total surface area of a toy is equal to this plus this. Okay, that is 47.1 plus 56.52, that is 62.6 plus 7 is 13, 5 plus 5 is 10. Is it right? Did you understand? Isn't it easy to do this kind of problem? But what do we remember? We have to remember the formula of a sphere, hemisphere and a cone. Without that, can we do? Yes? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. See here the next question. That is, he is telling that a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay? You know the cylinder, right? Yes. With the two hemispheres stuck in each of its ends. That is, if this is a cylinder, then he is telling that there are two hemispheres which are stuck at its ends. Okay, he is telling the length of a capsule is 14 mm. Okay, the total length of a capsule is 14 mm, right? That is, from here to here, the length of the cylinder is 14 mm. Okay, and he is telling that the width is 5 mm. This is the width, that is from here to here, the width is 5 mm. He's asking us to find the surface area. How do we find? That is, the total surface area will be the area of the cylinder, that is the surface area of the cylinder, plus the surface area of the two hemispheres. Okay, shall we find? See here, that is total surface area is equal to surface area of cylinder plus 2 times of surface area of hemisphere, isn't it? Now tell me, what is the surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r h. Yes, what is the surface area of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Is it fine? Now tell me, what is r here? Given r is 2.5 mm. Let us write it as 5 by 2 mm only. Okay. What is h? h is 14 mm. Okay. Let us substitute it there. That will be 2 into 3.14 into what is r? r is 5 by 2. Let us write this as 7 by 7 it's 22 by 7. Why? Because there is 14 there, so that we can cancel it. Okay. 2 pi r and h is 14 plus 2 into again 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Is it fine? Shall we solve? Now see here, is there anything to cancel? 2 ones are 2 2s are 7 ones are 7 2s are. Now 22 into 10 is 220. Okay. Now see here, 2 2 2 2 will get cancelled, and the next 22 into 5 into 5, that is, let us write as 3.14 into 25. Okay. Just multiply and tell me the answer. 220 plus, how much is 3.14 in 25? That is 78.5. Now tell me the answer. 298.5 centimeter square. Isn't it? What is that we have to remember here? We have to know the surface area formula of a cylinder and the surface area formula of a hemisphere. And don't get confused, this is one of the most important question for your exam. Okay. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. The question given here it is, that is 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are given. That is 2 cubes. They are joined end to end. Okay. They are joined like this. He is telling to find the surface area of a resulting cuboid. Okay, that is, say here, if this is one cube and this is one more cube. Okay, by combining it, obviously this will become a cuboid. Okay, now tell me, what are the things which will be equal? Right, first of all, if I make just tell me, what is a term of a cuboid? That is, will have same length, same height and same breadth. Okay, that is, all 3 variables will be same. Whereas for a cuboid, when we mix 2 cubes, the height will be same, okay, the breadth will be same, whereas the length will be doubled. Okay. Now tell me, here the volume is given. Can I find the side of a single cube? Yes, right? Say here, that is, given volume of a cube, that is 64 centimeter cube. If I say a cube, then a cube is 64 is 4 cube. Therefore, a is, how much is it? 4 centimeter. Okay. Now tell me, what will be the length of a cuboid form? Length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 and height is also 4 centimeter. Okay. Now tell me, what is the volume of a result? I mean, he is asking only surface area. That is, surface area of a cuboid is, what is the formula of a cuboid? Surface area, that is 2 into LB BH HL. Okay, shall we substitute the values? See here, 8 into 4, 4 into 4 plus again 4 into 8. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16, again 4 8s are 32. Just add and tell. 2 into 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 160 centimeters square. Is it right? Don't forget to write the units. Just check and write. Okay. Then and there I will also be making the silly mistakes for this, but make sure that you don't do such kind of mistakes in your exam. Okay. Shall we do the next problem? Let's do. See here the next question, that is a sphere, a cylinder and a cone. Okay. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone have same radius and same height it seems. Okay. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay. Just try to understand here what is given here: a sphere, okay, a cylinder and a sphere. All of them have same height, okay, same height and same radius. Now tell me, the radius of this is equal to radius of this and the radius of this are equal. Okay. Yes. Then what about the heights? The height of this is h, height of this is h, and what is the height of this? That is the diameter. Okay, that is also same. Now write, that is, let us write everything separately: sphere, cylinder, cone. Okay, if I say radius, if this is r, this is also r, this is also r. Okay, if I say height, here the height of a sphere is 2r. Okay, then the height of a cylinder is also 2r. Here height of a cone is also 2r. Okay, now tell me, what is the volume? What is the volume formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, here volume of this is, what is the volume of a cylinder? That is pi r square h. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Is it fine? Shall we find the ratio of all those? Just check. The ratio of volumes is equal to, here tell me what is the radius here? R, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube is to, okay, here pi into r square into, what is h? H is 2r is to 1 by 3 pi r square into 2r. Okay, just simplify it. 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi 2r cube is to 1 by 3 pi 2r cube. Right? R square into r is r cube. Here also r square into r is r cube. Here 2 by 3. Fine. Here pi will get cancelled, and the next r cube also will get cancelled. Okay, still anything is left. 2 we can cancel. Yes, 2 again, here it will be 2. Therefore 2 by 3 is to 1 is to 1 by 3. Therefore this can be written as 2 is to 3 is to 1. This is my ratio of volumes of sphere, cylinder and cone when they have same radius and the same height. Is it fine? Yes or no? What we have to remember here? That is, we have to remember at least basic definitions and their formula. Okay, this would be the better thing if you do like this. Okay, so that we can easily understand it. Is it fine? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. See here, the question given here, it is a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere, that is from each end of a solid cylinder. See here, if this is a cylinder, right, they are scooping it out. Scooping in the sense, you know that ice cream scoop, right? The same scoop will be there here. Okay, fine. This is how the figure. If the height of a cylinder is 10 centimeter, okay, and radius of a base is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. He is asking us to TSA of a article. How do we find? First we will find the CSA, and the next we have to find this CSA of two hemispheres. Is it fine? Did you understand? Now tell me what's the CSA of a cylinder? That is, let us write TSA is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 times CSA of hemispheres. Now tell me what is the CSA of cylinder? That is 2 pi RH plus 2 times CSA of hemisphere is, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, just substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 3.5. What is the height? 10. Again 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, now tell me 2 into 22 by 7. Can I write 3.5 as 35 by 10? Yes, right. Again 2 2s are 4 into 22 by 7. Again let us write this 3.5 as 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Okay, that is 7 ones are 7 5s are 10 10 will get cancelled. Now tell me here 22 into 2 5s are 10. 7 ones are 7 5s are again. Yes, is it clear, right? Again if you want to cancel something, we can cancel here. How do we cancel, or else we can even multiply? Tell me 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 5 will get cancelled. Okay, again 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5 7s are. This will be 22 into 7. Yes, 220 plus 22 7s are, how much is it? 7 2s are 14, again 7 2s are 14, 154. Therefore if we add those both, I will get it as 374 centimeter square. Isn't it? Is this question not easy to solve? Yes, right. How? That is after multiplying and substituting 3.5 as 35 by 10. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. These are all different problems of your second exercise of our mensuration. Okay. Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the